everyone, welcome back to my channel. This will be a very short and quick video. Today we are not preparing any dish over here. Instead we'll see how to make this drumstick leaves powder, which is very good for health. As we all know that nearly every part of the drumstick tree is edible. It may be a drumstick or leaves or flowers, all have its own health benefits. These leaves are rich in antioxidants and other nutrients, and also contains several nutrients, vitamins like vitamin A, C and E. It also used for glowing skin, hair growth. It improves digestion, vision, normalizes blood sugar, protects liver, treats kidney stones, urinary disorders, hypertension, diabetes. Also it helps to lower the risk of all types of cancers and tumors. So without further delay, let's get started. Here I have thoroughly washed the leaves under a cool running water to remove any dirt or insects, and then spread it evenly on a clean towel. For this shade dry, we have to choose a well ventilated area. I think everyone knows what is shade dry means. It means drying in shaded area rather than under a direct sunlight. Why we prefer shade dry is this method helps preserve the leaves' vibrant green color and essential nutrients, and making them more beneficial when you turn them into powder. Here we have to make sure they are not overlapping to ensure even drying. Now this is after 24 hours. See how leaves are looking. Let the leaves dry for about 3 to 4 days depending on humidity and air circulation. Just check them regularly to ensure they are drying evenly. This is on 4th day, and you can see all the leaves are completely dry and crisp. Now it's time to grind them into a powder. Use a clean blender. Make sure it's completely dry to prevent any moisture from affecting the powder. Add small batches of dried leaves to the grinder. Blend or pulse until you achieve a fine, consistent powder. For finer texture, you can sieve the powder through a fine mesh sieve. Now after that, proper storage is crucial to maintaining the powder's freshness. Store this in an airtight container to prevent moisture from getting in. Glass jars and plastic containers with a tight fitting lid work well. Now we have our drumstick leaves powder. We can use it in smoothies, soups, or we can simply have it by mixing it in hot water or cold water. One tip I suggest is, if you are new to drumstick leaves, start with a small amounts and then gradually increase as you get used to the flavor. Same way we can make a coriander, methi, mint leaves powder too, and then we can use it in our dish when fresh leaves are not available. Flavors might differ a little bit, but not the benefits. And that is it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any update. And if you have any queries or suggestions, please do comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.